The overall goal of this procedure is to isolate and analyze extracellular vesicle circulation in the blood by two different methods. For the individual extracellular vesicle detection method, platelet-poor plasma, or PPP, is first isolated from a blood sample. The PPP is then stained with the fluorochrome-conjugated antibodies of interest. For the bead-based detection method, the extracellular vesicles are incubated with beads, and then the bead-bound vesicles are stained with the relevant fluorochrome-conjugated antibodies. Ultimately, the circulating extracellular vesicle content can be determined by analysis of the samples by flow cytometry.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like electron microscopy or magnetic bead separation, is that it's much faster and allows for the assessment of the total extracellular vesicle population rather than being limited to specific subpopulations.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle, as the success of this method requires a strict adherence to the demonstrated maneuvers and cytometer setup parameters in order to produce high-quality data with minimal day-to-day variation.
Begin by centrifuging whole blood samples to separate the plasma from the buffy coat and red cells. Next, transfer 1.2 milliliter aliquots of the plasma supernatant into 1.5 milliliter centrifuge tubes, taking care not to disturb the bottom layers containing the buffy coat and the red cells. Then centrifuge the supernatant again to remove any platelets and large cell fragments. At the end of the spin, carefully transfer all but the last 200 microliters of the PPP samples to new tubes